friend, I thank you for choosing this video. By the time I finish this tutorial, you learn how to change document size in Adobe Illustrator. Don't go anywhere and let's get started. You create a new document. Normally, for example, let me choose print. From print, I'm going to choose letter. I'm going to choose my units to be in inches because this is a document to print, so I'm putting it in inches and select create. Now in this video I'm going to show you two ways of doing this. The first way, like for example, now this one is this document is in letter size. So the first way, you click here on this artboard tool, or you press Shift O on Windows. Once this comes, the document has been converted to artboard. Now from here we can change the document the way we want. As you can see here in the transform menu, you can see how it is changing. Whenever we move around these edges, these sides, it is also counting here, so it means the document size changes. Or once we finish, to save these settings, we click on the selection tool. Once you click on the selection tool, our artboard will be saved and the document will go back. We'll move from the artboard mode to the way you want it to be. That was the first way. The second way, once you open the document, you go here on the properties menu, you click on edit artboards. Again, you'll get the same settings or the same functions. The document will be converted to artboard. From here you can change the document the way you want. Okay, whenever you move the sides, it also moves. And as you can see in the transform, at the transform menu, you can see that it is changing. You can even if you don't drag around the sides, you can also just come here in the transform and you just click there, you edit the numbers. For example, 78. This one, maybe 31. 31. And you place Here it has been changed. Let me just look for the document. In Adobe Illustrator, if the document is either too over zoomed or too small, if you can't see it, what you do, you just press Ctrl button from your keyboard together with the minus button. You keep on pressing the minus button until when you see the document. Now my document is here. I can now press the Ctrl button together with the plus to zoom it in or out. So basically, I just wanted you to get an idea of how it works. So that is how we change the document size in Adobe Illustrator, or document dimensions. Like for example, you want to create something but you end up like changing your mind. You wanted the design in a landscape at first. Now you have changed your mind. You want the design to be on the portrait. So you just do this. Okay, here you just change the numbers accordingly. Like for example, you just interchange the numbers. Like for example, if the height was 11 and the width was 7, you can just interchange them. You put the 7 down and you put the height down just to get the numbers right. Thank you for watching. That is today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit a notification button. In case I upload more videos like this, you'll be able to find them. Thank you. Bye bye.